Good morning, students. I hope you have revised the portion we have covered in the chapter Motions of the Earth about the concept of axis and its effect of axis tilt on Earth. Now we will discuss about two types of motion. Rotation. The movement on Earth on its axis, or you can say Earth spin at its place, is called a rotation. The second motion of the Earth, that is called revolution. The movement of the Earth around the Sun in a fixed path is called revolution. The Earth revolves from east to west. Now first we will discuss about the rotation of the Earth. The spinning of the Earth around the axis is called rotation. And as we have already learned, the axis has an angle of 23.5 degree, which means the Earth is tilted on its axis, and because of this tilt, the northern and southern hemisphere lean in a direction away from the Sun. The Earth completes one rotation in 24 hours. On rotation of the Earth on its axis is what we call a day. It causes day and night. The side of the Earth which faces the Sun has day, and side of the Earth facing away from the Sun has night. For example, when it is day in India, it is night in USA. India, USA are on the opposite sides of the Earth. Now let's discuss about the rotation and its effects. Now just to make it clear, effects means a change that is caused by something, or you can say a result. For example, when you study hard, the result comes very good. You get good marks. So we will learn about rotation and the effects. It causes day and night. Now during rotation, the side facing the Sun has light, hence we call it day, and side away from the Sun has darkness. That's why we call it night. Now it gives us a day of 24 hours when Earth completes one spin, or you can say the rotation on its axis, we call it a day. Now tides are caused twice a day. Now just to learn more, what is tide? Now tides are rise and fall of sea level. At some part of the day, there will be more water in one location, and at other parts of the day there will be less. Now tides are caused twice a day because of the gravity of Earth and Moon as it pulls water towards itself. But what is gravity? Now gravity is a natural force that makes things fall to the ground when you drop them. So every opposite direction gets high and low tides. Now the fourth point. Now as the Earth is spinning at a high speed, it results in the bulging in the middle and flattening at the poles. It gets more and more spread out at the equator. Now equator is the imaginary line that divides the Earth because it spins faster over there. Now the fifth point, now Earth's rotation gives us a sense of direction. Now as we have already discussed, the Earth rotates from west to east, so we see the Sun and the other heavenly bodies appear to rise in the east and set in the west every day. But the Sun is stationary and it does not move. It is the Earth that is moving from west to east. So standing on the Earth, we feel the Sun and the Moon are moving east to west. Now boys, make sure that you revise the topic rotation and effects of rotation. Thank you.